In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style messages and embeds in Discord. If you want your Discord messages to look cleaner, more organized, and more professional, Discord includes several formatting options that are easy to use. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to style regular messages with Markdown and how to create polished embeds for announcements, server updates, and other important posts. Let's start with regular messages. Discord uses a simple formatting system called Markdown that works directly in any chat box. To make text bold, place 2 asterisks before and after the word or sentence. If you want italics, use a single asterisk on each side. To create strike-through text, place 2 tildes before and after the text. And if you want text to appear in a code style, wrap it in backticks. This is especially useful for commands, usernames, or technical information. Another simple way to improve readability is by using line breaks and spacing. Instead of writing one large paragraph, separate your content into smaller sections. This makes announcements, rules, and instructions much easier to read. A good combination of bold headings, italic emphasis, and code formatting can make your messages stand out without looking cluttered. Now let's move on to embeds. Embeds are the colorful message cards you often see in Discord servers for welcome messages, announcements, event details, and automated notifications. They provide a cleaner layout than regular text and help organize information more effectively. To create an embed, open your Discord server and go to Server Settings. Next, open Integrations and select Webhooks. If you don't already have one, create a webhook for the channel where you want the embed to appear. Copy the webhook URL and keep it private since it allows messages to be sent directly to your channel. After that, paste the webhook URL into an embed generator tool. From there, you can customize the author, title, description, color, fields, footer, and timestamp. Many embed generators also support Markdown inside the description, so you can continue using bold and italic formatting where needed. Once your embed is ready, click Send to publish it through the webhook. Before posting an important announcement, send a test message first to make sure the formatting, colors, and layout look exactly the way you want. That's how you style both regular Discord messages and custom embeds. With Markdown for everyday formatting and embeds for more advanced layouts, you can make your Discord server look much more organized and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,